Let's go over to more cooking with Fozz. Cooking with Fozz.
Right, just finishing work. I've got a new recipe that's been sent to me from somebody in my industry.
IT?
No, not IT. TV.
OTV?
From Love Your Garden.
ITV? Alan Titchmarsh?
No, from Katie from Love Your Garden.
Love Your Garden?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bro, amazing.
Yeah, correct.
I went to a soiree at his house once. Alan Titchmarsh. The food terrible. Surely he's not sending out recipes. He's got no idea. Did you know he writes erotic fiction?
So I've heard. Just reading the recipe, yeah.
I read his last book and I must admit it gave me a bonk on.
Serve it with a leafy salad. Or eat on its own if you're Indian.
What kind of
That is so racist.
microaggressive menu is
I work
this?
with a lot of Indian people in IT.
TV.
As a side hustle.
ITV?
So, I suppose I'll just eat it on its own.
Oh.
I think.
IT. Very boring.
If there's one thing that I absolutely hate,
IT?
it's cooking.
Oh. It shows.
I'll cook that tomorrow, actually. I can't be arsed tonight.
You are very bad at this. Do you have the ingredients?
What's rapeseed? Who called it that and why? You have to wonder, right? Disgusting. Cooking with Fozz, cooking with Fozz. Cooking. So I was going to put a bit of both of these in the dish. That says you need 800 grams. Look, that's only 400 grams of that. Is that wrong? You need 2 of them. I can't believe that because that's loads of tofu. I think it's wrong. I'll stick both of these in. 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds. Red loads of that. Need this. Need these. Got these. But I'm out of ginger. I always have ginger in it. Got a sack full of garlic like a Frenchman. Got the peppers. I could use more chilies and garlic instead of ginger, I think. That'll be alright. Don't have any caster sugar. I've got this normal sugar. I don't believe in caster sugar. Alright, it's all here, so let's rock. 2 teaspoons of it, so doesn't fit in. Knew that would happen. Tortilla wrap things in here, which I'll eat it with. Right, I've actually freed one, so that's good. Yeah, I'm just going to let these thaw out, you know what I mean? I've already got a washing up. I've just done a little bit of washing up, and we can just go straight to that with any dirties.
This is as dull as dishwater.
Well.
Tee-hee, you get me?
Need these as well, brown onions. Cooking with Fozz, cooking with Fozz. Cooking with Fozz, cooking with Fozz. Cooking with Fozz, cooking with Fozz. Hey, good looking. What you got cooking? Yeah, with Fozz. One of the good guys, Tony Blackburn. That's my garlic there. Not really cooked with this before. Just doing some dusting, like so. Not really an expert duster.
He says cook chilies like this, so I've no idea why.
Okay, I'm heating up the red stuff, the mellow yellow. Ready to put the dusted tofu and cheese in.
Yeah, it's ready for washing up that. And that's cause all this stuff's in here, that. It's all happening. Get the mellow yellow all over this.
That looks horrible to me.
Looks very sort of yellowy, this stuff on. I'm sure those ingredients are wrong. This looks like loads to me. I think just 1 packet tofu would be good if you need 2.
Leave all this sizzling away. I keep stirring it every now and then.
Looks raw, like sushi, rank.
Some of the cheese and tofu,
Fozz,
it's very oily.
have you ever even seen another cookery show? Do you know James Martin? He's like a cool version of you with a motorcycle. He gets up earlier than you on a Saturday.
Flour off. It's really annoying gear, isn't it?
Curiously, the naked chef loves bikes too and also top loader. Dancing in the moonlight. Pucker.
Bet you don't see this on cookery shows, do you?
There's a good reason for that.
I've mixed the garlic with the onions and the cumin together.
The garlic shouldn't actually be in yet, but I messed it up. So I didn't read where I messed it up. I didn't follow the recipe properly. Okay. Who gives it?
Oops.
It says cook this for 10 minutes, but I don't know. That seems pretty wild to me. That seems like a long time.
I chopped up the peppers and the chilies, and I've added them to this. I forgot to film that bit, but you just have to imagine what it was like. It's cooking now. Cooking on gas.
Sorry. Bit of salt there, I'll put some of that in. Need to answer that, you won't see me do it.
Haha, sweet tooth.
It says 2 teaspoons of sugar. Seems a bit much to me, that, so I'll put a bit in.
You're no Mary Poppins.
Seems unnecessary, that.
Biatch.
Just put the black pepper.
Okay, I've been holding this in all series, but enough is enough. I understand Fozz's mum, Pauline, doesn't like to hear swearing in these shows for some ridiculous reason. They're only words, after all, but I'm over that now, and I'm going to let loose because I've had enough. If only you all knew how I've been treated this year and for this rubbish too. This is actually some really fucking boring shit and it needs to be told straight up as follows. I'm sure you'll agree. Even Paulie. We've been in lockdown practically all year and you are making this shite. You're wasting your life and all the viewers' lives too. You selfish bastard. You prick. So far this is the worst of these quiffy whatever's. Cooking with fuck features. Things that you've made and it's not as if any of the other ones were any good either. What a total wastrel. What the fuck is this music? Can you listen to something good like Nora Jones, Meatloaf or Aha? Do you ever even eat meatloaf? Do you like hairy pork scratchings? Do you ever feast on liver and onions? Your woke vegan scran frankly disturbs me, and probably everybody else. Am I right? Of course I am. This show is really fucking dull. Why are you doing this? When are you going to cook some food that viewers would actually like to eat? Do you have any restaurant qualifications? Are you a restaurateur? You do understand the word is restaurateur and not restaurateur. I bet you don't. You're an idiot and your food is barely edible. It's certainly not worthy of a YouTube show like this. You are no Anthony Bourdain. You're a Poundland Ainsley Harriet at best. I'd say you shit all over Jamie Oliver but really, otherwise you are the worst. How long is this going to go on for? When is my paycheck due? I know what's happening now. You've been forcing me into a dissociative state. I know now I was wrong to sign this contract with you. I know now that CWF is some kind of cult. Pearl Lee's, grow up. Trying to shut me down. Fuck you. I know you have collateral on me. I've handed you my compromat. Bitch please. Leave me alone master. I swear I will name names. You will never cook again. You're using this lockdown to justify locking me in your basement. Release me. Release me motherfucker.
Forget everything I said earlier, Fozz. I truly love you. I really do, bro. You know how much you mean to me. Dude, if we ever film another episode, I will be there waiting for you.
My drink
As
there.
always.
Got extras there. Got my TV there. Got my tortillas there.
I'm malfunctioning.
Right, so Costa Inc. So I'll watch a bit of some of my favourite cooking with Fozzes. Yeah, this was a good one, wasn't it? Do you remember this one? Watching some old episodes of Cooking with Fozz, like that's what I usually watch from them. And there's my dinner.
A bit like Tosh off the bill.
It's all kicking off now with steam. Look at that steam.
I wish I knew how to make burritos. Okay, there we go. Nicely wrapped up. Yummy.
Good night from Cooking with Fozz Day 18. Gave me a bonk on.
This is really nice.
Say hello, John. Do you like him? You copying his noises? Hello. Hello, animal man. He looks cuddly like a teddy bear, doesn't he? Do you like him? Yeah. Yeah.